Meet the Belgian Malinois, one of the bravest and smartest working dogs in the world. These dogs are fast, strong, and fearless. Perfect for police, military, and rescue work. They are super intelligent and can learn commands faster than most dogs. Their loyalty is unmatched. They will protect their owners no matter what. With endless energy, they need lots of exercise and training. That's why they are not for beginners. But for the right owner, they're the ultimate partner. Do you think you could handle a Belgian Malinois? Let us know in the comments. Follow for more amazing animal facts. #Belgian Malinois, #Brave Dogs, #Working Dogs.